Ascento Guard. The state-of-the-art autonomous robot known as Ascento Guard is set to shake up the security sector. Ascento Robotics, the company behind it, just secured $4.3 million to use AI and robotics to improve security operations. Designed specifically for use on outdoor patrols, the Ascento Guard can handle a wide variety of terrains with ease and speed. Among its many high-tech features are thermal, RGB, and infrared cameras. It also has the ability to charge itself, and its battery life is more than 4 hours. Without human involvement, the robot can continue operating continuously because to its all-weather capability and safe walking pace. With Ascento's robotics as a service offering, businesses can rent the cutting-edge Ascento Guard for as little as an hour, cutting expenses right away. With its reasonable pricing, Ascento Guard is within reach of companies looking to beef up their security. EDAG CityBot. Through its incorporation into a smart ecosystem, the EDAG CityBot reimagines urban mobility as a fully autonomous robot vehicle. In addition to complementing rail-based traffic, it also functions as a public transportation and work system. The CityBot can communicate with other robots as well as the smart city network. Because of its adaptability and modular design, it may serve multiple purposes, including housing passengers, transporting goods, cleaning the city, or maintaining parks. It can handle any transportation or work scenario in urban or industrial regions by combining with different utility modules. Thus, the EDAG CityBot satisfies the demands of urban development, rising traffic volumes, and people by providing an eco-friendly, efficient, and scalable transportation solution. When coupled with digital micropayment systems, it offers new business models and is a game changer for future mobility. Pool Live AR, a revolutionary augmented reality tool that completely transforms the game of billiards, is Pool Live AR, which was developed by Forge IT, a company based in Portugal. The cue, balls, and table limits may all be identified with just a single projector and camera that is positioned in a strategic manner above the table. Once it has been mapped, it will project real-time guides, which will make the game experience more enjoyable. It is also possible for the system to display the score in addition to other pertinent information. Players are able to load or share a certain state of the table through the tool's integrated social network, which is endowed with functionality. The community can also vote on the best solution for that table condition, and solutions can be shared with one another. Pool Live AR takes the game of pool or billiards to an entirely new level, providing a more dynamic and interesting experience for players. Leica BLK2FLY. The world's first fully integrated LiDAR unmanned aerial vehicle is the Leica BLK2FLY. This autonomous flying laser scanner is outfitted with sophisticated obstacle avoidance technology, which makes it exceptionally simple to capture reality from the air. The purpose of this device is to construct three-dimensional point clouds while flying by capturing the exteriors of buildings, structures, and settings. It is simple to operate the BLK2FLY. All you have to do is define the area you want to scan, push a button, and it is ready to take flights. In addition to that, it has an indoor mode that may be used to scan huge indoor areas. Reality Cloud Studio allows for the direct uploading of data from the BLK2FLY, which can then be used for storage, visualization, and collaborative purposes. BLK2FLY Live app for iPad is the remote control mechanism that allows it to function. Avidrone, 210 teraliters. Automated cargo delivery is made possible with the help of the Avidrone 210 teraliters, a high-performance UAV. It is well suited for a wide range of agricultural and industrial uses because to its expanded range and payload capacity. With a range of up to 100 kilometers, this drone is capable of carrying a maximum payload of 16 kilograms. An environmentally conscious choice for long-distance, heavy-lift cargo transportation, the 210 TL is powered by battery electricity. Its adaptability to logistical activities is enhanced by its tandem rotor design. which guarantees stability in all weather situations. Beyond visual line-of-sight operations are made possible by Avidrone's proprietary autopilot technology, which eliminates the need for specialized pilots. Because of its little noise output, the 210 teraliters can be used in environments where background noise is a concern. It comes in 3 sections for convenient transit and can be quickly assembled on-site for speedy deployment. Lixel X1, a LiDAR scanner that is tiny, powerful, and precise. The Lixel X1 is capable of capturing scenes from the real world and quickly generating detailed 3D models without the need for any post-processing to be done. Real-time data capture and immediate data preview are both features that are offered by this system, which is powered by cutting-edge SLAM technology. For a wide range of applications, including surveying, mapping, and 3D printing, this gadget, which is both lightweight and integrated, is an impeccable choice. Sub-millimeter accuracy is offered by the Lixel X1, which is renowned for its high-performance LiDAR sensor. In addition to being easy to transport and use in the field, it is designed to be user-friendly, with a structure that is both compact and lightweight. The Lixel X1 was first presented to the market in 2023, and since then, it has developed into a trustworthy instrument within the sector. HydroBoat 1200. An UAV with many uses, the HydroBoat 1200 can conduct hydrographic surveys and keep tabs on the environment. A wide variety of water measuring equipment can be easily integrated into this all-inclusive platform. Because of its small weight and improved mobility, it can be easily transported for surveys to different locations and used for a variety of instrument deployments. The HydroBoat 1200 uses cutting-edge GNSS plus IMU algorithms that work together to provide extreme precision. Equipped with millimeter-wave radar, dual-color navigation lights, and a 360-degree PTZ camera, it boasts significant safety enhancements. Advanced data collection and processing, side-scan sonar, dual-frequency sounder, image sonar, multi-parameter water quality meter, and other optional attachments are all compatible with the HydroBoat 1200. Any operation involving current measurement, bathymetry, underwater survey, or water quality assessment would benefit greatly from its use. SURF-eDNA. The goal of the SURF-eDNA project is to bring about a revolution in the mapping of marine biodiversity. This is accomplished through the utilization of an autonomous underwater robot that imitates the movement of a fish, hence enabling it to fit in perfectly with coral reef habitats. The robot is outfitted with a cutting-edge navigation algorithm as well as an electronic DNA filter, which allows it to gather important data regarding the richness of the ecosystem. It is capable of taking high-resolution movies as well as isolated eDNA samples, making it a platform that is minimally invasive and capable of gathering a substantial amount of data. Through the utilization of this cutting-edge methodology, researchers are able to acquire fresh understandings of marine life, which ultimately results in enhanced protection and monitoring of a wide range of marine species and ecosystems. Pyka Pelican Cargo. As far as autonomous electric airplanes go, the Pyka Pelican Cargo is at the forefront. It is a giant leap forward in environmentally conscious logistics since it is the biggest zero-emission freight jet in the world. With an impressive range of up to 200 miles and a cargo volume of 66 cubic feet, the Pelican Cargo is built to operate entirely autonomously. It can carry payloads of up to 400 pounds. Designed for last-mile air cargo transportation, this aircraft is built on Pyka's unique autonomous electric flight engine. It offers an expanded range and higher payload capacity. To facilitate loading and unloading, it has a nose-loading system that includes a movable cargo tray. The Pelican Cargo's 50-kilowatt swappable lithium-ion battery and 4 electric motors make it possible to go from one trip to another quickly. The Pelican Cargo's completely redundant propulsion system satisfies the ship's top priority of safety. Hiwonder SpiderPi Pro. Incorporating artificial intelligence vision and running on Raspberry Pi 4B, The Hiwonder SpiderPi Pro is a state-of-the-art hexapod robot. It has a 5-degree of freedom robot arm, an inertial measurement unit sensor, a glowy ultrasonic sensor, intelligent serial bus servos with a torque of 20 kilograms, and more. Python can be used to program the robot. Machine vision, deep learning, OpenCV, and hexapod robot motion control are just a few of the many areas that can benefit from this platform. With its enhanced 5DOF vision arm, SpiderPi Pro is able to precisely detect, follow, grab, sort, and stack things. A variety of tripod and quadruped gaits are made possible by its use of inverse kinematics. It has a number of customizable features, including a height, speed, direction, and turn capability. With the use of an app, you may remotely manage the robot's movements and view a live feed of the camera. KILOW La Bagnole. Combining elements of a Jeep CJ, a tiny pickup truck, and a UTV, the KILOW La Bagnole is an exceptional electric off-roader. We aimed for portability, functionality, and durability in its design. It can conquer any terrain with its top speed of 80 kilometers per hour. It has a weight of just 350 kilograms and a range of 70 or 140 kilometers on its own. The living space is designed to be basic and modular, with wood paneling, putting the driving experience first. The vehicle also has a big, customizable load area. The Bagnole's efficient and entertaining drive is due in large part to its small 16-kilowatt motor. It's a toy that adults can actually play with, according to the manufacturer. In addition to being sensible and functional, this vehicle also provides an entertaining and carefree way to get around town. Unlike conventional cars, it offers a new perspective on movement. Digitsole Smartshoe. In terms of intelligent sneakers, nothing has been done before the Digitsole Smartshoe. The ability for it to automatically tighten and monitor your activity levels is phenomenal in the realm of wearable technology. The built-in sensors track your gait, posture, impact force, heart rate, and calories burned, among other metrics. The device may connect to your smart devices over Bluetooth in order to offer coaching. A heating feature is also built into the Smartshoe, so users can regulate the temperature of their sneakers with the simple touch of a button on their smartphone. Along with that, the sneaker lets the user adjust the fit, temperature, and lighting all from their mobile device. Incorporating cutting-edge technology into footwear, these shoes represent the future of footwear. The ideal combination of form, function, and technology, it is made to improve your routine and exercises. H2Fly Hy4. A hydrogen fuel cell system supplies the propulsion for the H2Fly Hy4, which is a pioneering aircraft. The first flight of this aircraft, which has 4 seats, took place in the year 2016. When it comes to propulsion, the HY4 relies on hydrogen, which is then transformed into energy by its fuel cell technology. It is a sustainable alternative for air travel because it results in aircraft that produces 0 emissions. By successfully accomplishing the world's first piloted flight fueled by liquid hydrogen in the year 2023, the HY4 set a new record globally. Its range expanded from 750 kilometers to 1,500 kilometers as a result of this. An electric motor with 80 kilowatt of power is installed in the HY4, which has a cruising speed of 145 kilometers per hour. A continuous power output of 45 kilowatts is provided by the aircraft's battery, which has a storage capacity of around 21 kilowatt at 1 degree Celsius. Decarbonizing commercial aircraft is a huge step forward. Serpent flood barriers. An original approach to flood protection is provided by the Serpent flood barriers. A powerful barrier against potentially hazardous floods is provided by these inflated tubes. These barriers, which are entirely filled with air, are designed with speed and convenience in mind. Within 12 to 18 minutes, a Serpent berm that is 30 feet in length can be inflated. They come in lengths of 15 feet and 30 feet, and they can provide protection for heights of up to 3 feet. It is possible to link sections in order to produce a more substantial barrier. A powerful flood control system, The Serpent is a result of the expanded skirt, which acts as ballast when the flood water arrives. In addition to being reusable, they can be deflated, rolled up, and stored simply on pallets, making them convenient for transport and deployment in the future. The Serpent flood barriers are a solution that is both practical and efficient for flood protection. MantaBrew WeighMaster. Revolutionizing the modular coffee scale industry, the MantaBrew WeighMaster combines classic design with cutting-edge technology. Its many brewing modes and multi-module sharing capabilities provide boundless opportunities for interaction and innovation. With the WeighMaster's on-demand modules, you can personalize your coffee experience. On top of that, it has a flip TFT screen, an LED light bar, and feedback on data in real time. The WeighMaster is designed with beginners in mind, with clear instructions that are in line with SCA standards and WBRC champion practices. For more exact brewing, it has a coffee-water ratio mode as well. The components of the WeighMaster can be connected and disconnected thanks to its innovative design. Brew measures are taken to a whole new level by this Hong Kong-based device. The WeighMaster boasts innovative features like as the portafilter tare mode and the weighing timer mode, in addition to its modular design. Gyroscopic Transport. In his vision for the future of urban transportation, Gyroscopic Transport, Dahir Insat aims to completely alter the way people navigate through cities. These solar-powered, disc-shaped cars use flywheels to float above traffic on stilts. Their multi-tiered transportation system has the ability to lessen pollution and traffic jams. Travelers can anticipate either cramped, subway-style seats or plush pods outfitted with sofas and televisions. Although the specific cost has not been made public, the idea's positive effects on the economy and the environment indicate that it may prove to be an economical choice for urban areas in the future. The design prioritizes user comfort and integration with urban settings, with the possibility of working in tandem with pedestrian spaces. This groundbreaking form of transportation is still in its early stages, but it has the potential to revolutionize urban transportation in a sustainable and efficient way. Flying Train, Dahir Insat. The Flying Train, by Dahir Insat, is a concept for transportation that was conceived by the Russian engineering company Dahir Insat. It is a futuristic transportation system. This cutting-edge system combines elements of conventional rail travel with cutting-edge technology, and it is comprised of train-like pods that are suspended from above lines. Although the pods are meant to move at high speeds, they offer an alternative that is both quick and efficient in comparison to traditional trains and urban transportation. As a result of its electric propulsion, the system claims to minimize the amount of traffic congestion and provide benefits to the environment. Additionally, the elevated rails allow for minimal interruption to the infrastructure that is already in place, which makes it a solution that is both adaptive and scalable for contemporary urban landscape developments. SkyWay technology advantages. SkyWay technology presents numerous advantages, particularly its cost-effectiveness. One of the primary benefits is its considerably lower construction cost compared to traditional and advanced transit systems. For example, SkyWay integrates innovative transport infrastructure at a fraction of the cost associated with more conventional systems. This involves significantly lower requirements for steel and reinforced concrete, optimizing material use while maintaining structural integrity. In terms of transportation costs, SkyWay boasts significantly lower figures when compared to rail, automobile, and magnetic suspension trains, achieving up to an 1,800% cost reduction over traditional monorail systems. The total estimated cost for projects like SkyWay is around $300 million, exemplified by a specific project mentioned in the Miami Herald. Additionally, SkyWay's implementation requires minimal leveling or mountain drilling. EHang 216. Designed by the Chinese manufacturer EHang, the EHang 216 is a two-seater autonomous electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft that is also referred to as the EH216S. Urban air mobility is the focus of this pilotless passenger-carrying unmanned aerial vehicle system, which demonstrates cutting-edge technology. The pricing of the EH216S is $410,000 for markets across the world that are not located in China. The suggested retail price in China is 2.39 million yuan, which is equivalent to around $338,000 in American currency. The EHang EH216S is priced strategically to effectively penetrate the market, and it provides an option that is priced more affordably in comparison to the ideas that were made earlier. This pricing reflects EHang's intention to make autonomous aerial transport more affordable and realistic, hence advancing the likelihood that electric vertical takeoff and landing technology will be commercially possible. Virgin Hyperloop. By rapidly pushing passenger or freight pods via near vacuum tubes, Virgin Hyperloop intends to transform transportation. By combining electric power with magnetic levitation, these pods have the ability to travel at speeds of up to 670 miles per hour, drastically cutting down on travel time between cities. The goal of Virgin Hyperloop is to reduce the normally 6-hour drive time between San Francisco and Los Angeles to 30 minutes. The business's ultimate goal is to create a safe, efficient, and environmentally friendly transportation option that significantly reduces travel time and pollution. As the system is still in the planning phase, actual passenger pricing is not yet available. However, estimations indicate that it might be priced competitively with current airfare and high-speed rail options. Regulatory clearances and the effective deployment of the technology are prerequisites for the anticipated launch of passenger services in the 2030s. Jetpack Speeder. The Speeder, developed by Jetpack Aviation, is an engineering marvel that has the potential to transform the way people travel. It is the first flying motorcycle in the world. This motorcycle-shaped future vehicle can reach incredible speeds thanks to its 8 little jet engines. With a size-to-payload ratio of outstanding proportions, the Speeder can transport 600 pounds of cargo despite weighing only about 300 pounds. The Speeder is currently in the testing phase and is expected to receive FAA certification soon. It is not merely an idea, but a fully functional prototype. Its capabilities are absolutely mind-blowing. It can cruise at 60 miles per hour for almost 30 minutes, and a military-grade unmanned version can achieve speeds of 400 miles per hour at 100 feet in the air, practically protecting it from ground fire. This remarkable vehicle, which has an initial price tag of $381,000, is now available for pre-order through Jetpack Aviation. Airspace Cabin Vision 2035 Plus. For future airplane interiors, Airbus has proposed the Airspace Cabin Vision 2035 Plus, which aims to improve both the passenger experience and operational efficiency. As part of this plan, we envision biometrically enabled smart seats, individual climate control, and state-of-the-art in-flight entertainment systems that can use virtual reality and augmented reality. There will be a wide range of cabin configurations, from luxurious suites to economical classes, all with flexible designs to meet the demands of passengers. As part of the effort to make flying more comfortable, the design incorporates features like ample overhead bin space and better lighting. In an effort to lessen its impact on the environment, the cabin makes use of eco-friendly materials and energy-saving features. A substantial investment in research and development and high-end technology would be required to build such a cabin, but the actual cost is not known. Shane Car. An innovative electric vehicle concept, the Shane automobile was unveiled by Shane Chen, the man responsible for creating the first hoverboard. The innovative design of this two-wheeled electric vehicle, which can balance like a hoverboard and accommodates 5 adults in comfort, is set to transform urban transportation. As soon as Shane is in motion, its futuristic roller coaster-like interior comes to life, and its wheels self-align to keep you steady and safe, just like a four-wheel drive. To reduce rolling resistance, Shane's revolutionary design incorporates big wheels and regenerative shocks, which harness the energy from damping and transfer it to a battery. Because of the two-wheel differential speed control, maneuverability is excellent, and parking and maneuvering confined areas are a snap. Moreover, solar panel technology seems to be integrated into the roof. However, this has not been formally confirmed. Yacht V2. Lazzarini Design Studio came up with the novel idea of the Yacht V2, which combines the aeronautical marvels with the opulence of a superyacht. The two 492-foot-long blimps that hold the helium allow this future vessel to glide through the air. Interconnected with a central hull that is 262 feet long and 33 feet wide, these blimps provide panoramic vistas in place of conventional hulls. With a master suite, dining room, and living quarters in the main hull, and 5 guest rooms with private bathrooms on each of the blimps, the inside is equally spectacular and can carry 22 people. After 48 hours of flying at 60 knots and 5 knots on the water, the Yacht V2 may be powered by solar panels and ultralight batteries. Due to the fact that it is a conceptual design, no set price has been established. Nevertheless, comparable opulent vessels, such as the feed ship Yacht, can be purchased for approximately $120 million. Renault Float. An innovative concept car that blends cutting-edge technology with a future design, the Renault Float in Motion is a vehicle that mixes the two technologies. Due to the fact that it has a distinctive spherical shape, it is able to move in any direction without any difficulty. The outside of the car is constructed out of a material that is translucent and has the ability to change color and transparency, which provides an appearance that is both dynamic and adaptable. On the inside, it features a roomy cabin that can be customized to your preferences, with an emphasis on comfort and connectivity. Float in Motion is a vehicle that is built for autonomous driving and is outfitted with cutting-edge sensors and artificial intelligence to provide a ride that is both safe and efficient. It exemplifies Renault's vision for the future of urban mobility, which places an emphasis on user experience, flexibility, and environmental responsibility. The Air Car. An advanced electric car that has gained attention for its outstanding range and elegant amenities is the Air Car, typically linked with Lucid Motors' Lucid Air model. Offering a combination of premium craftsmanship and performance, the 2024 Lucid Air begins at $71,400. It has a designer interior, a neck-snapping acceleration, and the best estimated range in its segment. Notable for its affordable price and lengthy projected 410-mile driving range is the entry-level Pure model. Lucid's expertise in Formula E racing is the source of their revolutionary technology, which includes a new design for batteries and electric motors with a lot of power density. The FAA has recently authorized the flying electric car, which is now available for pre-sale at a price of about $300,000. This choice is for individuals seeking something even more futuristic. This vehicle can land and take off vertically and can be driven on public highways. Deep Sentinel System. A groundbreaking undersea habitat, the Deep Sentinel System intends to transform submerged life and scientific inquiry. The Sentinel, a modular underwater home, is scheduled to welcome visitors by the year 2027. Scientists can stay at depths of up to 200 meters for up to 28 days, giving them unequaled access to the ocean floor for thorough research. Thanks to its versatile design, Sentinel can accommodate missions ranging from a few weeks to a few months or even longer. Its power systems will prioritize sustainability by utilizing microgrid architecture in conjunction with renewable energy sources. To prepare specialized divers to manage and care for the habitat, Deep has also set up an institute. There is no word on how much the Deep Sentinel system will cost, but it appears to be a substantial expenditure on maritime technology and undersea exploration, given its emphasis on sustainability, safety, and sophisticated research capabilities. BioLeg. Company Bionic EM of Tokyo created the innovative BioLeg electric leg prosthetic, designed to help amputees walk, stand, and sit more fluidly. With improved stability and less cognitive strain, it also reduces tiredness. And revolutionary prosthesis, this one weighs in at around 6 pounds and has a battery life that keeps going all day. The breakthrough feature of the BioLeg is its ability to enhance the user's mobility experience through the integration of artificial intelligence and motor power. The FDA has granted the device Class 2 exemption, which means it will be able to enter the US market much faster than expected, with a launch scheduled for late 2024. Regarding pricing, advanced bionic prosthetics in Japan can cost over $80,000, while the BioLeg is anticipated to retail for about 1/3 of that amount. Though it's still a substantial investment, this makes it more affordable. Kiteboat SP80. A revolutionary kiteboat, the SP80 aims to shatter the record for world sailing speed. The SP80 is an ambitious record breaker that was dreamed up by a group of enthusiastic engineers and students at Switzerland's prestigious ETH Lausanne campus. Its target speed is 150 km per hour. The 2018 initiative was launched by Xavier Leperc, Benoit Godiot, and Mayol van den Broek, and brings together cutting-edge engineering with the excitement of kitesurfing and sailing. In order to withstand the tremendous loads at high speeds, the SP80 takes design cues from motorboats and uses heavier materials and structures. The team's dedication to innovation is evident in their unique foil design, which is crucial for breaking through the 100 km per hour barrier. While the exact price of the SP80 is not publicly disclosed, the project has attracted significant capital injections, highlighting its potential to influence wind sports and maritime technology. Plana eVTOL Aircraft. A South Korean firm called Plana Aero is working on a CP-01, a hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing plane. They hope to make regional air travel more accessible with their hybrid air taxi, which has an impressive range of up to 500 kilometers and is priced affordably. This will revolutionize urban air mobility. When compared to completely electric vehicles, Plana's hybrid propulsion system improves fuel economy and increases range. If all goes according to plan, the business will supply SkyTaxi with 10 CP-01 planes by 2030 and another 40 by 2040. It is said that Plana is trying to make it cost-effective by scaling manufacturing in an effort to bring the price down to $3.5 million. However, the precise current pricing is not disclosed. Plana is aiming high with its ambitious objectives, which include creating full-scale prototypes and achieving mass manufacturing with the help of substantial fundraising. Atlas Boston Dynamics. Among Boston Dynamics' most notable creations is Atlas, a sophisticated humanoid robot renowned for its nimbleness and adaptability. Its sporting intelligence and real-time perception are the building blocks of its multi-function design for use in the real world. Through the use of depth sensors and a sophisticated control system, Atlas is able to swiftly and gracefully traverse complicated landscapes. The robot is 89 kilograms heavy and 1.5 meter tall, with a titanium and aluminum frame that gives it the best strength-to-weight ratio possible. Its small hydraulic system and bespoke battery allow it to do amazing things, like leaping and somersaulting. Atlas is not for sale, but it does provide a platform for researchers to test the limits of robotics. The quadruped robot Spot, made by Boston Dynamics, however, is priced at $74,500. You can tell their robotics technology is top-notch because of this. Voixatch Smartwatch. An outstanding new product, the Voixatch Smartwatch combines a smartwatch's useful features with those of a smartphone. Designed to keep you connected without the need of your phone, it is the first smartwatch in the world with LTE, GPS, and a detachable Bluetooth headset. With its 1.3-inch AMOLED display and ARM Cortex-A 53 CPU, This wearable device guarantees fluid performance and vibrant images. The innovative bezel-mounted Bluetooth earpiece is the focal point of the Voixatch's revolutionary all-in-one design. The bezel detaches with a twist and raise, making it easy to wear in your ear. The 530 mAh battery provides 3 hours of call time, so that you're always prepared for your next call. The smartwatch charges the headset. Voixatch is all about personalization. You may change the bezels to 4 different colors to find the one that suits you best. Kickstarter backers may purchase it for as little as $179. SkySurfer Aircraft, an engineering marvel. The SkySurfer Aircraft shows how personal transportation may look in the future. Featuring an exceptional blend of small size, power, and efficiency, this individual-use, all-electric VTL aircraft is built for takeoff and landing. When folded, the SkySurfer may be as small as a piece of luggage, giving riders unrivaled portability. Hunter Cowell's SkySurfer has piqued the interest of both aviation fans and those looking to invest in the industry. A recent Kickstarter campaign raised more than $35,000 from 38 backers, demonstrating the strong level of interest in this groundbreaking flying vehicle and beyond the initial goal. For individuals seeking to soar above traffic and embrace the skies, the SkySurfer is an accessible choice with pricing starting at roughly $20,000. The use of carbon fiber and other industrial-grade elements in its construction guarantees long life. Cryptide Sneaker. An example of cutting-edge design and 3D printing technology is the Cryptide Sneaker. The German designer Stefan Henrich came up with the idea for these shoes after fabled cryptids, such as Bigfoot and the Loch Ness Monster. The sneaker's one-of-a-kind open-toe sole is made to produce unusual cryptid-like prints. The Sintratec S2 system is ideal for laser sintering this product because of the flexible TPE material used in its construction. The Cryptide is more than simply footwear. It makes a bold statement. The shoe strikes a good mix between flexibility and structural integrity, thanks to its varied wall thickness throughout, and its ergonomic design guarantees comfort. Although it is a technological marvel, the Cryptide sneaker has proven to be just as evasive as the animals it attempts to mimic, because of the lack of transparency surrounding the Cryptide sneaker's price. Airpod Smart Napping Pod. One innovative public space relaxing option is the Airpod Smart Napping Pod, which provides a quiet haven where people can relax, rejuvenate, and refuel. It's the first smart napping pod ever made, and it has a state-of-the-art zero-gravity seat that makes you feel weightless, which decreases stress and increases comfort. The sleek and modern pod has all the features you need, including smart functionality and ample privacy. The Airpod will first be installed in large international airports, but it will eventually grow to encompass other public spaces, such as bus and train terminals, college campuses, and city centers. While the search results do not reveal exact pricing information, the Airpod is marketed as a high-end feature for public areas due to its creative design and revolutionary functionality. Those interested can get in touch with the provider directly for definitive price quotes. KaRa-Pure. Every day, the KaRa-Pure is capable of producing up to 10 liters of alkaline water, making it a luxurious air-to-water dispenser. In order to function, it first utilizes desiccant technology to remove moisture from the air, and then it purifies the water by adding minerals to it. This compact device features a straightforward mechanism that can be plugged in, and it provides water that has a pH value of over 9.2, making it one of the most beneficial alkaline waters that are now accessible. In addition to being able to offer mineral-rich water without the noise and energy consumption that are typical of systems that are dependent on refrigerants, KaRa-Pure has been recognized as a best invention by Time magazine. Not only does its design, which is made of stainless steel, contribute to its visual appeal, but it also contributes to its usefulness by subtly collecting moisture in order to generate water that is alkaline. MG Maze Concept Car. To appeal to the motorists of the future, MG created the Maze Concept Car, a futuristic take on city transportation. It combines the worlds of mobility and gaming in a whimsical way. It's a little two-seater that's ideal for urban environments. Showcasing the internal mechanisms and adding to its dynamic look, the exterior sports a transparent shell reminiscent of high-end gaming PCs. Rather than using a conventional steering wheel, passengers can interact with the vehicle using their smartphones on board, thanks to cutting-edge UX/UI technology and floating seats. As a concept vehicle, the MG Maze tests out many ideas for where automotive technology and design could go in the future. There is no market value for it because it is not for sale. When it comes to innovation in design and technology, concept automobiles like the MG Maze are priceless. They frequently impact the creation of subsequent production versions. Forward CarePod. A groundbreaking new way to get medical treatment is available with the Forward CarePod TM, the first AI doctor's office that combines AI with human doctors and other medical professionals. These AI-enabled pods allow users to take charge of their health journey with a fully immersive experience. As soon as a user steps foot in a CarePod, they'll have access to a suite of health apps that can diagnose and treat a variety of conditions, as well as monitor vital signs and conduct blood tests. With ambitious expansion plans for 2024, CarePods can be seen in many public places, including malls, gyms, and businesses. Their statewide launch is just around the corner, with stops in big cities including Philadelphia, Chicago, San Francisco, and New York City. You may have access to these cutting-edge diagnostic tools and personalized health plans whenever you need them for as little as $99 a month.